Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm doing a different video today. This is something I've never actually done before. I'm going to do a what I eat in a day. I am very much just like an intuitive eater. I guess that's how I would describe it. I just eat what I want when I want. Basically it. So this is a weekend day, so that's obviously different to a normal day for me. So it's Sunday, it's actually a bit late. It's 9:30, so I'm gonna go downstairs and make my breakfast.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply.
Breakfast, I like porridge. As you can see, I've got raspberries, blueberries, I have a variety of nuts. Sometimes I have different ones. I've got flaked almonds and walnuts. I have some of the Sweet Freedom choc shot, some honey, some chia seeds, and obviously milk and oats.
It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one, 'cause you are the only one.
Hey girly pops! So it's later on in the day, let's see the time, 11:56, and I've just made some cupcakes, so part of that is eating the leftover mixture. Delish. So it is now time for some lunch. I am really quite starving. It is 4 minutes past 1. I've got fajitas for dinner. I actually had for lunch. I had fajitas for dinner last night and I have some leftover, which I'm so excited about because it's delicious. I'm actually going to heat it up on a frying pan though because I want to add some more seasoning to the chicken because it wasn't spicy enough yesterday. Frying pan ready. This is the fajita seasoning I use. I literally hate it. I just recommend buying the packs of fajitas, but I use this because I'm a student and it's cheaper to just buy this than packs every time. Okay, let's make some lunch. So I'm just wrapping up my final fajita, number 3, but they are only little. If I have like the big wraps, I would only usually have 2, but these are literally tiny, like look how big it is rolled up. I also got myself a glass of water. I realised I haven't been keeping track of my drinks, although this is only the 3rd drink I had today. I had my orange juice this morning, had a cup of tea, now I've got my water. You physically can't eat without a drink. Like my food physically gets stuck in my throat if I don't have a drink.
I just realised I never filmed an introduction for dinner. I decided to make a roast dinner. I typically do make myself a roast dinner on a Sunday. I don't really know why, I'm obsessed with roasts. So this one, I did honey roasted carrots. I just cooked up a chicken breast for myself. I did roast potatoes and roast sweet potatoes. I made some Yorkshire puddings and I did some broccoli and I said carrots. I would usually do some like green beans, but mine were mouldy, so I did not. Dinner, I have a roast. I did honey roasted carrots, chicken, which I used some onion, dried herbs, cumin, honey, salt, pepper, and a bit of butter, roast potatoes and sweet roast potatoes, and some broccoli, the Yorkshire puddings. So I realised I never actually ended this vlog. Let me know what you thought of this. I haven't done a what I eat in a day before, but I had a lot of fun filming it. I also did a TikTok, so go check that out. I will leave links to all my social medias in the description at all times. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you'd like to see any more food related content, recipes, that kind of thing. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Sorry about the washing machine.
I can't breathe.